So here's how to fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing on Windows. So first what you can do is clear the game cache by simply right click on Windows logo, click on run, and then type %local app data %, press OK. Now it should open up this folder. Make sure Roblox is closed first. So you can close Roblox and then go back and search for Roblox folder in here. Now you can simply right click on this Roblox folder and click delete. Now you will need to uninstall Roblox by right clicking Windows icon, go to installed apps, and then search for Roblox in here. And then click on the three dots next to Roblox player, click uninstall, and then click uninstall again, and then confirm to uninstall the game. Now you will need to go to roblox.com/download, and then click on download Windows app to download it and install it again. Now once it's installed, what you can do is try to right click on it and run as admin. And if it works for you like that, otherwise what you can do is update your GPU drivers. For example, I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to search for NVIDIA app. Now, if you don't have NVIDIA app, you will need to download it from the browser. Simply search for NVIDIA app or the relative app for your GPU. Now, in here, you will need to click on drivers section, and then under game ready drivers or driver, click on download and install if you don't have the latest version. And once you have the latest version installed, you can simply close this and restart your computer and try to run Roblox again. And that should solve your problems. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.